In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your IKEA account. If you're sure you want to say goodbye to IKEA's online services, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience. To get started, open up your web browser and head to the IKEA website. Once you're there, log into your account. This is an essential step, as you'll need access to your account details to proceed with the deletion process. So, enter your credentials carefully and ensure you're successfully logged in before moving on. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to your profile section. This is typically found at the top right corner of the web page. Your profile is your personal hub on the IKEA website, and it's where you'll find the settings related to your account. Now scroll all the way down the page to locate the option to delete your account. This might be a bit hidden, but it's generally at the bottom of the settings or account options. Take your time to carefully look through the entries and options to ensure you don't miss it. When you find the delete account option, go ahead and click on it. This will typically bring up a confirmation prompt. Remember, this is a significant action, so IKEA wants to make sure it's intentional. Clicking this will initiate the account deletion process, moving you one step closer to closing your account completely. Next, you'll be required to enter your password. This step is an added security measure to ensure that it is indeed you who is taking this action and not an unauthorized user. Carefully input your password in the designated field and double check for any typos to avoid unnecessary hassle. Finally, after entering your password, a confirmation button will appear. Click on Confirm to continue and complete the deletion of your account. This final step confirms your decision to permanently delete your IKEA account. Once you click this, your account will be removed from the IKEA system. And that's it! Your IKEA account should now be deleted. Before you start, remember that once your account is deleted, all personal data associated with it will be permanently erased. If you're sure about this decision, follow these steps, and your account will be closed in no time. I hope this guide helped you with the process. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to IKEA's customer support. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials.